Well, I guess we're really doing this. So, why isn't the lowest interest rate always the best choice? Well, continue watching and I'll explain. Hi, my name is Jonathan Andrew, and I'm a realtor located in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I have been doing this for going on 3 years. I've helped multiple families get into their first home, their dream home, the next home, whatever it may be. And the purpose of this channel is to educate and be fully transparent with the process. So why isn't the lowest interest rate always the best choice for you? Well, let's establish two things: what makes up your mortgage and the loan types that factor in on this thing. So, what makes up your mortgage? PITI. This is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. But unless you pay 20% down, more than likely you are going to be paying mortgage insurance. Now, mortgage insurance by no means is a deal breaker, but it can affect the budget, especially when you're on that top tier and you might be at $1,800, and next thing you know, pending the mortgage insurance, you might be looking at all of a sudden $1,900 to $1,925. That kind of throws things off. So, that being said, here comes the loan types, and this is where the bread and butter's at. You have FHA, which is typically the lowest rate, less money down, favorable DTI. Credit score doesn't have to be high, and overall has an easy entry level. Now, then there's conventional. Typically, it's a higher rate, and you need more money for your down payment, 5%, sometimes 3%, but for the most part, I see 5% down. It has you need to have a lower DTI, debt to income ratio. You need to have a higher credit score, and it has just a higher standard to get a conventional loan. Now, one might say, well, why, John, why would I even consider conventional? Higher rate, more money down. It sounds like with FHA, I'll get the lowest rate, and I had to put less money down. Great, yeah. It's all about what gives you the best options. If you can get into a home with an FHA loan, absolutely go that way. But all I'm saying is, if you're going to prepare to buy a home, you're 6 months out, a year out, let's at least give yourself an option between conventional or FHA. For example, I have a client of mine. We went on a home and we were going to go and submit an offer. We put the numbers into the loan officer so that way he can give us a ballpark figure of what he'll be paying for a month and see, if things will work out. Well, he was going FHA on this one, and turned out for a $230,000 home, he was going to be paying around $1,750 for this home. Taxes were a little high, but overall, he said, no, that's just far too much money. Went and to another home, fast forward to the home that we actually won, he decided to go conventional loan. Again, higher rate, but with him being a first-time home buyer and everything factored in, he came out to about $1,400 a month mortgage, which is just insane. A great deal, a great find. I can't stress enough, it was just an awesome decision in my opinion, and he got a good deal. That being said, what was the difference? Well, with the FHA loan, your mortgage insurance is typically higher, and with the conventional loan, the mortgage insurance is lower. So let me ask you that. Is that something that's more enticing to you? Is that if you go conventional loan, yeah, you might get that higher interest rate, but overall, your mortgage might be lower versus an FHA loan. Above all, guys, if you can get into a home with an FHA loan, go ahead and do it. By no means is this video meant to discourage you. Again, I just advise that if you're going to prepare to buy a home in the future, talk to an advisor, talk to a loan officer, talk to me, whatever it takes, and to people who will genuinely serve you and help you reach your goal, work towards the goal, and, at least, again, give yourself the option to at least go FHA or convention. Again, my name is Jonathon Andrew, and we're going to be covering various amounts of topics in this on this channel. So if you would please comment below on what you want to learn, what you want to hear. I'll do my best to answer you all individually and make videos based on your comments. And do me a favor, like and share. And until next time, guys, be well, stay safe, and God bless.